What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me. That's me. Guess what I'm about to make, y'all? Yep, a hummingbird cake. So, I like this cake. It's a good spring cake, summer cake. Some people may call it a tropical cake because you got coconut, pecans, pineapples, bananas. Anyway, let's get to it. Bye, y'all. All right, to make this hummingbird cake, y'all, let me call these ingredients. This is 3 cups of self-rising Martha White flour. I like using self-rising flour now, but I still put a little baking soda or baking powder in it. So, to this 3 cups of self-rising flour, I put everything in one container. I'm about to put in a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. So we're gonna put all that in there and put all that in there, and I'm gonna take my little bitty whisk and stir it all in there. So that'll be it for our dry. Whenever I'm using self-rising flour, like I say, I always like to put a little extra baking soda or baking powder just in case. That cinnamon and nutmeg smells so good. All right. I'll show y'all the rest of the ingredients in 1 minute. All right, y'all. I had to go review my notes right quick. Like I said, I made this cake before. I couldn't remember. This is I took some butter out, but I got in my notes that this is an oil-based cake. Oh, so right here I have 3 large bananas, y'all. I'm taking my fork and I'm smashing them up. This is a oil based cake, so I don't need any butter. We're gonna use canola oil, and my notes also say to hand mix it. So this is going to be hand mixed. I'm not going to use a mixer. All right, then we smash these bananas up. All right, after you got those 3 bananas smashed up, add 1.5 cups of sugar. This is a very sweet cake, y'all. I guess that's why they call it a hummingbird cake. You know, it's a spring/summer cake, cause you know that's when you see the hummingbirds. But yeah, this is a very sweet cake because you got the bananas that's already sweet. You just put the 1.5 cups of sugar in there. You got pineapples to put in here, coconut. So, all right, got that 1.5 cups of sugar. Let's add 3. Let's add 3 eggs to that. All right. See, it's best to have everything measured out. That way you won't miss nothing. So, and you see, I'm mixing with a fork. So add 3 eggs. See, y'all, this is that old school mixing right there. You take that fork and you tilt that bowl and you go like that. Yeah. Just like that. That's that old school mixing. What y'all know about that? Tilt that bowl just like that and mix. I bought me some new mixers too because I was burning up so fast. I went on and bought me a KitchenAid and a Black & Decker, and I got the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. So, but like I say, my notes say to hand mix this. So, got that mix. Now I'm about to add in 1 cup of sweetened coconut. And I'm going to go and add this 1 cup, what I did with it over here. 1 cup of crushed pineapples. That's with the juice and everything. Told y'all this is a very sweet cake, I'm telling you. I'm just going to want 1 piece. Because we still got to do the cream cheese frosting. All right, mix that in there. Mix that all together. All right, let's add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna listen. 1, 2. All right. What my fork with? Got it. All right, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Remember, this is all your wet, y'all. Now, 1.5 cups of canola oil. See, we're using oil instead of butter. Gonna make it have a very moist cake. All right. Stir this all in there. Now, it's my dry right here. Now we going to give me a sip of my Bud Light. Drinking me a cold one while making this cake, y'all. All right. Here go my dry right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my wet into my dry. So make sure I'm over. I don't want to spill nothing. So, oh, come on now. I'm just combining that wet into that dry. I think I put hand mixers. That way you won't over mix. Tell you about cake batter. And you're dealing with flour. The more you mix, the tougher your cake crumb is going to be. So when you hand mix like this, you pretty much won't over mix, and your cake will be more tender and not tough. The more you beat, the more gluten you build up in a cake. So this is my batter. Let's finish stirring it up. Ooh, this smells good. Dang. All right, y'all. After you got that all combined, the last thing you want to do is put your 1 cup of pecans in there. So that's 1 cup of chopped pecans, and stir that in. I got my oven set at 350, and I'm finna flour and grease up 3 9-inch cake pans. All right, so one more review. This is 3 cups of self-rising flour. This is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. That's your dry. And your wet, you got 3 bananas, 1 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of coconut, 1 cup of pecans, and 1 cup of crushed pineapples with the juice. Yeah, that's it. All right. All right, I got my ice cream scooper, so I got 3 pans, greased up with shortening and flour. So I'm gonna evenly put. I don't know. I'll let y'all know how many scoops in each one. It's the best way for me to have them all the same. So I'm gonna start out with 3 scoops in each one. Then I put a scoop in each pan until all my batter is gone. All right, y'all. Getting on the counter. Each pan took 1.5 cups. I'll be quiet, girl. Y'all ain't supposed to be in the kitchen anyway. All right, I'm about to put them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we're gonna let them cool. And I'm going to make 2 different frostings. I'm gonna put Chantilly frosting in the middle, and just a cream cheese frosting on the outside of it. All right. Be right back. All right, y'all. That go the hummingbird cake. There go the last one. Been it 25 minutes. Stick my toothpick in it. See there? Come back clean. All right, let it cool. We're gonna take it out the pan. All right, my cake been cooling for about 5 minutes. Look, I can even touch the pan. Now, let's flip it. Put it on my hand like that. Tap it. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now, take it and flip it back over and put it on the cooling rack and let it finish cooling. Perfect cake, y'all. All right. All right, let's make some cream cheese frosting. That's 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, and that's 1 stick of butter. So I'm only gonna make a little because I got the Chantilly frosting to go in the middle. So we're going to cream this up. All right, got this good and creamy. Let's put in, where's my vanilla extract? Right here. Let's put in a little vanilla extract, and we're gonna put in that's good right there. That's about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and let's put in 1 cup of powdered sugar. All right. All right, I put in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Look how creamy that is. That's how we want it. Look at that. All right, now let's icing the cake, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get this crumb coat out the way. This is gonna be our top layer, so I'm gonna put some cream cheese frosting right there. And I'm about to spread it. So then we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. Y'all know what that crumb coat do? That catches the crumbs. So when you get ready to put that final layer on there, those crumbs will dry on the top layer of the cake. I wash my hands already so I can touch it. I probably need a little more. Get this out of the way. Show y'all a blind man can icing the cake. I can't do the fancy decoration, but I can at least do my best in frosting the cake. So let me level this off. Be right back. All right, I'm about to put it in the freezer. My top layer don't have to be that perfect. I know it should be smooth. I'm not sure because I'm still on the top. I'm gonna put pecans and coconut on top. So let me go put this in the freezer so it can be chilled. All right, all right. Here go my cake board. In the middle, I put a dab of Chantilly frosting, and I'm gonna put this cake right here on first. Just gonna seal it. I'm gonna put this on first because I got a little bad part right. Where is it? Right there. A little chunk came out of there. So make sure I got it centered like that. So now press it down, and that'll hold our first layer. All right. Now got that on there. Now let's put us some frosting on top. It's gonna be, like I say, Chantilly frosting is going to be in between the layers, and that buttercream, that cream cheese frosting y'all see me make is going to be. And the reason I didn't show y'all how to make this one here because I didn't make it so many times. You can see it on my YouTube channel. Or how I make this this Chantilly frosting. All right, let me smooth this on. All right, let's put the next layer on top. Let me see here. All right. Make sure it's even. Smash it down. And there we go. Now, let me icing this top. All right, just that frozen layer. My crumb coat layer. And see how it's frozen on top now. I'm gonna have a big gap for some reason. But I'm gonna fill it in with icing. So we're gonna press this one down. I'm gonna have a big gap. All right, let me straighten this on here, y'all. So I can get it all straight. All right. All right, y'all. This is the finale. Let's go to hummingbird cake. Now let's cut it and eat a piece. All right. All right, y'all. I really don't eat this much cake, but I had cut a big piece off so y'all can see inside. Now let's taste it. Hold up. This is 2 pieces of cake because I'm about to give it away, so I cut enough for. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, baby. That's it. That's that hummingbird cake. That cinnamon nutmeg make it taste like a cinnamon roll almost. I should have got me some milk with this. All right, y'all. Oh, I'm enjoying this cake. All right. As I say, y'all see me bake it. Goodbye.